I'm your teacher Nayab. I hope you all are fine. We having class of chemistry and today topic is hydrogen bonding. As you know, we already in a previous lecture we study about the different types, that is a dipole. We study about the intermolecular forces. They have a different type which included dipole interaction. As we know, we study already in our previous lecture. And in today's lecture, this is the second type of the intermolecular forces. In this lecture, in this topic, only structure of molecule, only we study about the two type of intermolecular forces, that is the dipole-dipole interaction, and the second one is the hydrogen bonding. So what is hydrogen bonding? As you know, hydrogen have a negative charge and they are very, if we study about the hydrogen bonding, so this is a very weak bonding between the molecules. So the molecule in which hydrogen is covalently bonded to very electronegative atom, that is how when hydrogen are covalently bonded with such type of molecules, that are the fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. So these type of bonding formation, we call that hydrogen bonding. Now we study about the different properties, that they have a positive charge. As I told you, hydrogen has a positively charged atom and weak bond, and they have weak bond, and their energy which is required to break this bond, so it is about 10 to 45 kilojoule per mole, and it's depend on what energy, depend on the electronegativity of molecule connected to it, how the atom which are connected to the hydrogen atom, how they are electronegative, what is their electronegativity. So the charge will be, the energy will depend on that another molecule which are connected to this hydrogen atom, to this by the hydrogen bonding. So it's depend on their electronegativity. So I have example for you people, that is the water molecule. In water molecule you see that there is a different water molecules are attached by some type of bonding. This type of bonding, we say that it is a hydrogen bonding. In water molecule we have such type of bonding are present, so we call it hydrogen bonding. Now we study about the application of the hydrogen bonding. What is their application? So it's important to determine the property of water. As you know, I told you that is the example of the hydrogen bonding is water. So what they told us the property of the water, and the biomoleculars, that protein and DNA also their structure they also determine, and synthetic materials such as glue and paint. And now we study about the glue and paint. So the adhesive action or the adhesive nature of the paint and dyes is developed due to the hydrogen bonding. Now we study about the properties of the hydrogen bonding. What is their specific properties? So they are stronger than dipole forces. How much they are stronger? 20% they are stronger than the dipole forces. And but they are weaker than the covalent bond. So how much they are weaker than the covalent bond? 20% they are weaker than the covalent bond. The next property of hydrogen bonding is hydrogen bond form long chain and help in the formation of the network of the molecule. So what they help? They help the molecules to form large networks and make many compact molecules. So student, today's lecture is all about the hydrogen bonding. I hope you will understand. Allah Hafiz.